the very first shed session. These sessions are going to consist all sorts of food from all sorts of walks of life, but basically aimed at home cooking. We're going to start the session today with doing a chicken dish. Chicken, it's my favourite dish at home, and it's a dish that we cook at least once a week, and we're using a great local product, the Goosnargh Chicken. So what we're going to do is we're going to serve the chicken, which is with a house rub. The house rub is basically from the PICU cookbook, which is a fantastic rub, and it works with lots of things. You can buy a rub if you want, but this is great and it's nice and simple. And then we're going to make a homemade coleslaw and a little bit of salad with that. Okay, homemade coleslaw, when you make it at home, it's so good and so much better. Okay, so at the back here we've got some yeast flakes, we've got some salt, and we've got a little bit of garlic salt, we've got some sugar, and here we've got some black peppercorns, we've got caraway seeds, fennel seeds and coriander seeds, and then we've got some oregano, and we've got here paprika and smoked paprika. Preheated a pan, yeah, that's fennel and that's caraway, and then we're going to just simply blitz everything. And you can see that was 10 seconds, that's all it took, and the house rub is ready to use. Now to the chicken. We've got to basically take the wishbone out and then spatchcock the chicken. So by spatchcocking the chicken, we can cook the chicken a little bit quicker, and also it's easier then to carve once the chicken's actually roasted. Just a little smidge of honey.
Yep.
Okay. And that's wildflower honey from around here. And then we're going to put our salt or our rub onto the chicken. So we're going to put that in a preheated oven at 180 for about an hour. And now we're onto the coleslaw. So while the chicken's cooking, it's a great time to do a homemade coleslaw. So we've got half a white cabbage, half a white onion, half a red onion, a couple of carrots. So we're going to put a little bit of juice of lime, and then we've got red wine vinegar, mayonnaise and some thick yogurt. And there you have our spicy roast Goosnargh chicken with homemade slaw and some beautiful salad leaves.